Good morning, students. It's Wednesday, March 25th, and today we're going to do the end of the Cold War. I have a quick picture I want to show you of a picture that was taken of me and President Reagan in 1980s. And today what we're going to do is we're going to have in our first video a great speech that President Reagan made in front of the Brandenburg Gate in Berlin in 1987. Then we're going to see a video of the Reagan legacy and those that were instrumental in helping to end the Cold War. And then we're going to have a final video on the fall of the Berlin Wall in 1989. You are going to answer questions on each of the videos, and then one big idea question on what were the factors that caused the Cold War to end. I'll also have some supplemental documents in Classroom that you can look at. One is on the fall of communism, and the other one is a sort of timeline on other events that happened around those years. So hopefully that will all work with you in helping to write your paragraph. Again, tomorrow we'll have a quiz on the Cold War. Shouldn't be more than 10 questions. There'll be some short answers with the word bank, and there'll be a big idea question. You'll be able to choose from two. So it shouldn't be difficult. If you have any questions, you can certainly come see me during extra time, and also email me. All right? There is a study guide in Classroom, so you should have no trouble. Have a great day, everybody, and I will see you later. Bye.